A centrifuge is a crucial piece of lab equipment used frequently throughout the course. This delicate machinery spins at hundreds of rotations per second to separate different components of a substance at various densities. Due to the high speeds, it is always important to ensure your samples are balanced. This video will cover proper procedure when using a centrifuge. To begin using the centrifuge, plug the centrifuge into the outlet on your lab bench, and check to make sure your centrifuge is turned on by checking the switch on the back of the machine. Press the button on the front of the machine to open the top lid, and remove the silver rotor lid to reveal the inside of your centrifuge. To avoid confusion, it is crucial to always have tubes that are properly labeled with either the type of sample, volume, or your initials. When preparing to place your tubes into the centrifuge, you must balance the weight of your sample with a blank, which is a tube of DI that has a volume that matches that of your sample. Set your blank to sit directly across from your sample. You can also balance the centrifuge with 3 tubes of the same weight, spaced evenly apart from each other. Once your samples and blanks are placed in the centrifuge, close the rotor lid tightly and close the centrifuge lid. Ensure you have the desired time and speed using the arrows on the pad, change if needed, and hit start. Carefully listen to the centrifuge as it begins to reach maximum speed. If you hear any excessive noise, something is off balance or the lid is not closed. Do not continue the cycle. Stop the centrifuge and investigate. Once the centrifuge cycle is complete, the lid will open. Remove the rotor lid to take out your samples. To minimize the disturbance of the separated layers, always remove your samples gently and slowly. If the cycle was completed properly, you should be able to see the various densities of your sample separated with a pellet at the bottom of your tube. Proceed to the next step of the lab activity as soon as possible, and always remember to follow instructions given by your TA or professor and follow proper lab safety and cleanup procedure. Happy centrifuging!